Ever struggled with skin tags? You know those small, pesky growths that seem to appear out of nowhere? Well, today we're breaking down how skin tag removal pens work and whether they're worth the hype. Are they truly effective or just another beauty trend? Stick with us as we explore how these handy devices remove skin tags quickly, safely, and with minimal hassle. What is a skin tag removal pen? A skin tag removal pen is a device designed for easy at-home treatment. These pens use a method called cauterization, essentially applying heat or an electrical current to remove skin tags. The heat or current dries out the tissue at the base of the skin tag, causing it to shrink and eventually fall off on its own. It's a simple, non-invasive way to tackle those annoying skin tags without stepping foot in a clinic. How does a skin tag removal pen work? At its core, a skin tag removal pen works by cauterizing the tissue. Here's how it goes down. The pen's small electrode targets the base of the skin tag, delivering heat or an electric current. This zaps the blood supply to the skin tag, causing it to dry out and fall off naturally in a few days. There are two primary types of skin tag removal pens. Electric pen uses high-frequency electrical currents to remove the tag. Heat pen uses heat to cauterize the tissue at the root of the tag. Both are effective, but they differ in how they apply the treatment. The pens are designed to minimize damage to surrounding skin, but like any tool, it's important to follow the instructions closely to avoid burns or irritation. Key features of skin tag removal pens. One of the best things about skin tag removal pens is their ease of use. These devices are made for home treatments, so they're convenient and fast. Most pens let you adjust the heat or intensity level, giving you the flexibility to tailor the treatment to your skin type or the size of the tag. The entire process usually takes only a few minutes per skin tag, and the treatment itself is relatively painless, with only mild discomfort reported. Compared to traditional treatments like cryotherapy or minor surgery, these pens are far less invasive, offering a quick and affordable solution for smaller skin tags. Benefits and limitations. The perks of skin tag removal pens are clear. Convenience. Treat skin tags from the comfort of your own home, saving you both time and money. Cost-effective. These pens are a fraction of the cost of professional treatments like cryotherapy or excision. Easy to use. No special training is required, just follow the instructions and you're good to go. But there are a few downsides to consider. Not for large or complex tags. If the skin tag is too large or in a sensitive area, like around the eyes, it's better to consult a dermatologist. Risk of burns or scarring. If not used correctly, there's a slight risk of burns or irritation. That's why it's crucial to follow the directions to the letter. How to use a skin tag removal pen safely. To make sure you're using your skin tag removal pen correctly, follow this simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Start by cleaning the area around the skin tag to prevent infection. Step 2. Turn on the pen and select the appropriate setting based on your skin type and the size of the skin tag. Step 3. Gently apply the tip of the pen to the base of the skin tag. Let the heat or electric current do its work for a few seconds. Step 4. Repeat the treatment if needed. Some stubborn tags might require a second round after a short interval. Step 5. After the treatment, apply a soothing ointment to reduce irritation and help with healing. Keep the area clean and avoid excessive touching. To wrap it up, skin tag removal pens are a fantastic solution for anyone looking to get rid of small skin tags quickly, affordably, and safely from home. They're convenient, cost-effective, and generally painless. However, if you're dealing with large or particularly sensitive tags, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for advice or treatment.